Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make amazing stickers using Canva. First, open Canva and choose a blank canvas or a sticker template. Decide on your sticker's shape and size, perhaps a 2-inch circle or a 3x4-inch rectangle. Then, unleash your creativity by adding graphics, text, and other elements. Remember to ensure your background is transparent for a professional look when printing. It's a fun and straightforward process to get started. Now, let's dive deeper into designing your sticker. Canva offers a vast library of elements, from illustrations to photos, many of which are free. Experiment with different color palettes and fonts to perfectly match your vision. You can easily group elements to move them around as one unit. A helpful tip is to leave a small 1/8-inch margin around your design. This provides a safe zone for cutting and prevents accidental trimming of your artwork. Once your design is perfect, it's time to prepare it for printing. Download your sticker as a PNG file, making sure to select the transparent background option. For crisp, clear prints, always check that your design resolution is at least 300 dpi. To save on materials, arrange multiple stickers on a single print sheet. If your design extends to the very edge, consider adding a 1/8-inch bleed to prevent white edges after cutting. Finally, let's get those stickers into your hands. Print your designs on high-quality sticker paper, which you can find in matte or glossy finishes. For precise cuts, a cutting machine like a Cricut or Silhouette is ideal, offering intricate detail. If you don't have a machine, a sharp pair of scissors and a steady hand work perfectly. For added durability and water resistance, consider laminating your finished stickers, making them last much longer.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.